on behalf of Pakistan Civil Aviation Authority, I welcome you all to the full-scale airport emergency exercise 2016. We'll start the proceedings with the recitation of Quran.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. سبحان ربك رب العزة عما يصفون وسلام على المرسلين والحمد لله رب العالمين. صدق الله العظيم.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum, respected and honorable guests. I welcome all at Allama Iqbal International Airport, Lahore, on the event of full-scale airport emergency exercise 2016. It is also a mandatory requirement for International Civil Aviation Organization. Dear guests, as you know, full-scale airport emergency exercise is being conducted today to test the viability of airport disaster plan, that is the crisis and emergency response plan. The crisis and emergency response plan foresee the effective participation of all internal and external agencies responsible for handling emergent situations. To meet any real eventuality at the airport, in this exercise, the Civil Aviation Authority has provided an opportunity to all concerned participants in this exercise and play their role with CA, fire and medical services to enhance their proficiency to deal with any real aircraft emergencies, to save lives of the passengers and minimize structural loss of the aircraft. The main objective of this exercise are to provide an opportunity to all emergency response personnel to familiarize themselves with the equipment and operation of other agencies to enhance harmony for a joint operation and effective optimum utilization of pooled resources. It also helps them to identify hazard areas at the airport premises. To test the capability and effectiveness of fire-fighting emergency equipment and performance of medical paramedical staff in attending the casualties and their disposal. To test the adequacy of emergency plans, procedures and communication as per crisis and emergency response plans. Now this exercise is mainly divided into three phases. The first phase is firefighting operation at fire pit near the secondary runway. That is where we'll be going first. And the second one is the rescue operation from the aircraft parked at the apron and first aid medical activities in the triage areas. After the fire pit show, we'll be coming back to the apron side and then we'll witness the rescue operation of the passengers. And the third part is passenger survival handling activities in terminal building by Messrs PCAA as per their own ERP. At the end, I would like to say thanks to all the dignitaries, individuals for sparing the time, valuable time, to attend this event. I would thank ASF for their full cooperation, PCAA for providing the aircraft and other agencies who have shown their willingness for active participation in the exercise. I would also like to thank all the honorable guests individually for sparing their valuable time to attend this event. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank all the media personnel who have come here to cover the event.